nature's embrace. This is Jeju Hanwoo, raised with care and quality, nurtured in nature's gentle hands. Strict biosecurity begins at the farm gate, keeping livestock diseases out. With a structured care system, each step ensures their well-being. Under the guidance of the veterinary authority, routine monitoring ensures health and quality. In the processing stage, hygiene is never compromised. Every cut of meat is traceable and safely produced under HACCP standards from the farm to your table. Grown in Jeju's embrace and proven by science. This is Jeju Hanwoo, where clean water runs. Pure air breathes through the land, Jeju. Here, pigs are raised with care, health, and strict hygiene. Sanitation begins at the farm gate. Their lives carefully recorded. Through regular vaccinations and thoughtful care, they thrive in health and quality. Even at the processing stage, hygiene is never compromised. Every cut of meat is traceable and safely produced under HACCP standards. From the farm to your table. Grown in Jeju's embrace. This is Jeju pork.